Here I found another unique car for my viewers. This is a 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible. It's the fourth generation Continental from 1961 to 1969. For the 1961 model year, the Lincoln range was consolidated into one model. Lincoln Continental. Making its first appearance since 1948, the fourth generation was available only as a four-door sedan and convertible until its 1966 model year refresh. The 1961 four-door sedan was listed at $6,067, $59,413 in today's dollars, and manufactured 22,303 units, while the convertible was listed at $6,713, $65,740 in today's dollars, and manufactured 2,857 units. The new generation was nearly 15 inches shorter overall, with a 8-inch shorter wheelbase over its predecessor, though heavier than its Cadillac or Imperial counterparts. Its construction and post-build quality control reflected Ford corporate management's commitment to quality. The 1961 Lincoln Continental and its designers received a bronze medal by the Industrial Design Institute, IDI, of New York, New York. It also won Car Life's 1961 Engineering Excellence Award. Please subscribe and support this channel to go out and find more unique cars so you can know and learn about them. Thank you.